In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files in Lark. If you've ever removed a document or folder by mistake, don't worry. Lark makes it straightforward to bring it back. I'll walk you through it clearly, whether you're using the web version or the mobile app, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Lark and head to Drive. On the web, you'll typically find Drive or Docs in the left sidebar or top navigation. In the mobile app, open Lark, then go to the Drive or Docs section from your main screen. This is where all your files and folders live, including anything you've recently worked on. If you don't see Drive right away, check your app's tabs or menu options. Drive and Docs are the same place for this process. Next, go to Trash. In the left-hand menu on desktop, you'll see an option labeled Trash or sometimes Recycle Bin. Click that to view everything that's been deleted. On mobile, open the Drive section and look for Trash in the menu. Trash is your temporary holding area before items are removed permanently, so this is your first stop when recovering something. Now, find the deleted file. You can scroll through the list, but using the search bar is faster. Type part of the file name or a keyword you remember. If you see a filter for Deleted by Me, use it to narrow results to items you removed yourself. If someone else deleted the file and you have permission to see it, check the full list. Keep in mind that organizations may set a time limit for how long items stay in trash, so act promptly if possible. Select the file or folder you want to recover. On desktop, click the checkbox next to the item's name. On mobile, tap the file to select it. If tapping opens a preview instead of selecting, go back and look for a Select or Edit option, so you can choose it without opening. Click Restore. You'll see a Restore button or option near the top or in the Actions menu. Once you confirm, Lark returns the item to its original location, preserving the folder structure it came from. And that's it. The file is back in its original folder. If you're not sure where that is, use Search in Drive to locate it quickly. You can continue working as normal and consider naming or organizing key files to make them easier to find in the future.